Hey everybody, this is Travis Shaw with the Jesse Norman School of the Arts, and I'm going to bring you a guitar lesson today for our 4-hour beginner guitar course. So, this lesson is all about the melody with many names. Some people call this Frere Jacques. I normally call it Frere Jacques, but it's got a bunch of other ones too. So, whatever you hear it is just fine with me. So I am going to show you how to play this melody on the guitar. And it's really not too bad. We're going to look at it all on the high E string. Okay, so remember the names of the strings. We've got the low E, we've got the A, the D, the G, the B, and then the high E. And what I do for this melody is I find the 3rd fret of the high E string, and I play 3, 5, 7, and then back to 3. So it's 3, 5, 7, 3, right? Okay, hopefully you can hear the melody when you do this, right? Now's a good time to pause the video and practice that. See if you can get that together. Now that you've unpaused the video and you're ready to continue, we're going to just do that same thing 2 times because the melody is da 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 da. So you just got to play that twice. Okay, then the next part goes da 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 da. A musician, but not a good singer. Da da da. So what I'm doing here is I'm finding the 7th fret of the high E string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm playing 7, 8, and then 10. And I do that twice, just like I did the first part, right? So it's a good place to pause and practice. 7. Okay, so at this point, we got 2 things that we're dealing with. 3, 5, 7, 3. We repeat that. 7, 8, 10, and we repeat that. Okay, so I'm going to play it, and I'm going to play it really slow, and I suggest you try to play it along with me once you've practiced and you've got it down. So here we go. Ready, go. 3, 5, 7, 3. Repeat. 3, 5, 7, 3. Go up to 7, 7, 8, 10. Ready, go. Then again, 7. All right, you got it? Okay, because now comes the crazy part. So you got to pause here again, and you got to practice that whole front section of the lesson. And then once you've gotten that together, we go a little step further. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so what I do here is I put my first finger on the 10th fret of the high E string. And I'm going to use 2 different fingers. I'm going to use the first finger, and I like to use my 3rd finger. Some people like to use your 2nd finger when you're starting out. Do what feels comfortable and just find what feels natural for you right now. It doesn't really matter. You just want to try to see what works for you. So we go 10 to 12, and I like to use my 3rd finger on the 12th fret. Back to the 10. So 10, 10, 12, 10, and then down to 9. Not 9, 8. Ah, that sounds better. 10, 12, 10, 8, 7. It's definitely 7. 10, 12, 10, 8, 7, 3. All right. Then do that again. Once you get that, okay, so it's a good pause and practice part. 10, 12, 10, 8, 7, 3. Then you got to do it again. 10, 12, 10, 8, 7, 3. This melody loves to do this. This melody loves to lay something out, play a phrase, and then repeat it. Play a phrase and then repeat it. Okay? Okay, this would be a good place to try this with me, right? So I'm going to count it in. I'm going to go really, really slow. Ready, go. And we repeat. All right. Next section, 4th section. This part is dun, 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 dun. Okay, so check this out. 3rd fret of the high E string, 3rd fret of the B string, back to the 3rd fret of the high E string. 3, 3, 3. And then just like we've done in every other part of this melody, we just do it twice. This, it's like, where is Thumpkin, right? Where is Thumpkin? That whole thing. That's another one of these. And people do the God Our Father as well. Okay, so at this point, pause and practice that. And then, once you've gotten that together, well, you have 4 parts, okay? Each part gets repeated. Part 1. Repeat. Part 2. Repeat. Okay, then part 3. Repeat. And then part 4. Not bad, right? Okay, so now you work on Frere Jacques and see if you can get it together. And maybe at some point, I would love to hear you play this or love to give you some feedback. If you have any questions, if you have any comments or any suggestions, please let me know. And check us out at the Jesse Norman School of the Arts, because we are still providing really great content for all of our students and for the Augusta community at large. And all of us at school wish you well and hope you're doing great. And we look forward to seeing you all soon. All right, bye-bye.